Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can synchronize different audio which you have recorded in different devices and how it will work in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. And here I have like one simple screencast which I have recorded, and the voice you can see is there, and I have one also another voice which I have recorded at the same time, but it is recorded on the mobile, and therefore for the quality I think mobile is better than laptop, and therefore I can synchronize and also make it very accurate with the help of Adobe Premiere Pro with simple. Now you can check the preview and let's listen the voice. It is low quality and not good as much as you can see. Voice is recorded from both PC and now you have checked that it is very low, and now once I'm going to just play that one, it is like okay quality. This voice is recorded from both PC and mobile phone as well. As you can just check that it is like in high quality and very nice one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take that one and bring that like in different audio section here, and we are going to give it a little space that maybe it could be come here, and we are going to unlink the first one. Right click on that one and unlink. It will just unlink the audio and video, and you are going to just take together both the audio and right click on that one, and you are going to come and click on synchronize and just take everything the way it is, and you are just going to press OK, and now the video and audio has synchronized. Now you are going to just take the video as well, and I'm going to cut that audio as I don't need that one, and maybe we are going to cut that one as well, as it should be like okay portion for mine. And once everything has been done, now we are going to just play this voice, and I'm going to mute the first one, and then we are going to play. Is recorded from both PC and mobile phone as well. And here I'm just going to show you that the mouse which I'm like moving that one, it is mic. The synchronization, I'm going to show that button is like the Google search, and it, as you can see, the audio is from mobile and the video is here from the laptop screencast, and but the synchronize is like the perfect, which I'm going to also demonstrate that I'm going to show that and it also shows everything very accurately. Now one thing more, you can do that one, and you can select like that audio and you will come in essential sound. If you don't have essential sound, you are going to come here in window, and here you can find essential sound, and in dialog you are going to click default. Maybe you can add like male noise, or you are going to add like clean up the noises, and it will optimize your voice again once again. Now you can check is like the Google search, and it is I'm feeling the key, and we have, as you can see, now everything is coming together amazingly, and you have learned that how we have just synchronized two different audios in one video. If you have any problem, just write that in comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.